Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sorium. For those of you that do not know me or have never seen any of my videos, I make a lifestyle and beauty and hair and all kinds of different videos. So if you are new and you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, like these videos, and check out more of them. I have a bunch. So today in this video, I'm actually going to be doing a day in the life. So I don't know if any of you know, but I am actually a working mom. I have a full-time job as well as I'm a mom, and I like to do YouTube on the side. So that is what I am getting ready for. I'm getting ready for work. This day happened to be the Friday before Memorial Day, and I woke up actually kind of late. I should have gotten up around 5:30 and I overslept and I got up at 6:15. So I go into the bathroom, I brush my teeth. That's the first thing I do. I cannot do anything without brushing my teeth first, and then I just wash my face because I showered the night before, so I just like to kind of wash my face and refresh myself in the morning. And then I'm just gonna pop in my contacts. I like to rinse them, like clean them in the morning before I pop them in. So I just did that, and then I'm just adding a little bit of eye cream and my SPF for the day. So that is like my super basic morning skincare. That's like the minimum I would do. And then I went and got dressed and got ready, and now I'm just trying to figure out what I'm doing with this mop on my head. My hair right now is kind of just really long. I don't have really much layers. It's kind of just a mop on my head. So I've been trying to get a little bit more creative with my hairstyles, but this day I just wanted to kind of get it out of my face, since the day before in the night I showered and washed the hair, and I kind of slept on it wet, so it got kind of wavy. But I was trying to put it up in like a half ponytail, and it was just being really bumpy and annoying, so I had to take it out and do it again. So that is me struggling with my hair. I usually just put it up in a ponytail because I just can't deal. And even here, like, I had to redo it again because it still was super bumpy. So I ended up putting hairspray in, really combing it back because I don't like having bumps or weird lumps or any hair sticking up. So I just used my Tresemme hairspray and like really get that nice and flat. And even then it wasn't as flat as I liked it, so I just popped in a couple of bobby pins to kind of keep that under control. So before I go downstairs for the day, I like to check on the baby to see how she's doing, and she was a little bit awake. She was kind of in and out of sleeping, so I just checked in on her in the monitor. And then I quietly go down the stairs, and our house is super old, so the floor is really creaky. And it's really annoying, but I try to be as quiet as possible so Derek and the baby can sleep a little bit more. And then I make my way into the kitchen for a quick breakfast. So for today's breakfast, I'm just going to have a bowl of cereal because I wanted something quick because I was already running pretty late. So I just grab my Frosted Flakes, and I do a little bit less than half of milk to cereal ratio. And then I like to pop it in the microwave because I'm a super weirdo, and I just pop it in for 2 minutes and it just warms up the milk and it makes the cereal nice and soggy, which is my favorite way to eat Frosted Flakes. So yeah, if there's any weird things that you guys like to do with food or anything, just let me know in the comments because I can't be the only weirdo that likes to heat up my Frosted Flakes. So then I'm just gonna grab some juice, and I like to drink everything cold, like with ice. So that is what I'm just gonna do, and I'm gonna pour myself some delicious juice. So of course I am watching some YouTube videos while I eat my breakfast, which takes me about like less than 10 minutes. I don't try to eat too fast because I don't want to get a stomach ache, but also I was running late, so I was kind of trying to eat fast. But I enjoy my breakfast, And after breakfast, I realized that we didn't have any clean bottles because we were slacking in getting those done. So I decided to just wash those and get one ready for the baby when she wakes up, because Derek is the one that gets her ready and out the door in the morning, because he doesn't have to get to work until much later. So he gets to work around 8:30 or 9, and I try to be at work obviously like on a different day. I try to be at work around 7:30 so that I could leave early, but obviously this day I was super late. But so I try to make things a little bit easier for him in the morning. So I got a bottle washed up, actually washed all the bottles, but I got one ready so that it was ready for him when she wakes up. So I got into my car and headed out at around 7:15, which is pretty much an hour after I woke up. That's usually how long it takes me, but I usually wake up much earlier. So obviously this isn't a very good example of me trying to get to work early. But yeah, then I head to work, which is about a 45 to 50 minute drive, depending on traffic, and it's mostly all highway, so it's super boring, and I just like to jam out and listen to music. So I made it to work at about 7:50. I usually like to get in at 7:30, but 7:50 isn't too bad for waking up at 6:15. So for those of you that are curious, I am a drafter, and I work at an engineering company, and we do drafting for other clients. So we get work in from other people, like, you know, other clients give us work, we do that work, engineers and designers design things, and then I draft them on the computer. So that's just a little snippet of kind of what I can say about what I do. I don't want to give too much stuff away, but this is what I went to college for, and yeah, so this is what I do all day.
Hours later.
So I just got off of work. I don't know if you can hear me because I have the windows down. So I just got off work. I am leaving a little bit early today just because it's super nice out, and it's Friday, it's Memorial Day weekend, and I just want to leave early. So I just got out. It's about 2:08 right now. I'm heading home. It's about a 45-minute drive. So yeah, I will catch up when I get to my parents' house. So I've been at my parents' house for about an hour or so, and everybody's gone. Everybody's like not here. My sister's out of town, and my other sister's in her room, and the only people that are here are my other sister, and my grandpa. But my parents are both out, so I'm just gonna go grab the baby. She's napping, and we're just gonna go home because there's nothing to do and it's a really nice day, so maybe we'll hang out outside or something. So I'm just gonna go grab the baby. You ready to go home? You ready to go home?
Okay, thank you for calling me so you can go to sleep. Bye, my ticket. Bye. Hey, what did you I got ticket. Victor. Hey, hello, hi, hello. Wake up, stupid. Is it humanly possible to fall asleep in under a minute? No, it's not. Look. Okay, look over my phone does that. Oh my god. Victor has been sending his mom a picture of her and Amara and him together since he met her.
Did you hear that?
Yeah, I'm addicted. I'm hungry. There's no food here. It's hot. It's cold in here. It's summertime.
Where's your moo-moo?
Cold.
Is your moo-moo here? Can you go check upstairs?
Were you recording and I was embarrassing myself and touching my butt cheeks like this? Weirdo.
Delete. No. Go get her moo-moo, please. Go get her moo-moo.
Lydia, her feet. Is that funny, Julia? Is that funny, Julia?
She's laughing. Go find her moo-moo for her, please. Lydia. Go find her moo-moo. First of all, I need my arms for cheerleading. Go find her moo-moo. I think if it's not upstairs, then it's at home. You ready to go, Marseille? You ready?
You weirdo, you better cut that out.
No, I'm not gonna cut it out. I'm gonna leave it in. All right, so she's all packed in her little car seat, and we're leaving. So you gonna find it?
No.
Melissa, you ready to go? Rude. You ready to go? All right, let's get out of here. What is that noise? So I got home, I think about 4:30 or 4:15. We stopped in at the grocery store. I just wanted to get food, like ingredients for dinner tonight. I'm gonna make my favorite meal that we got from HelloFresh. We actually canceled our HelloFresh a while back because we basically eat at my mom's house, you know, every day. But today I came home early, so I went to the store and I grabbed ingredients to make the pineapple chicken quesadillas. They are so good, and Derek just got home. But we got home around 4:30. I fed the baby her little dinner. She's eating baby food now, which is so cute. And yeah, I'm just getting started making dinner. Derek just got home, which is awesome. So I will be actually filming me making this. I just totally forgot to film when we were at the grocery store. But yeah. Do you get the big pan out?
I'll get this to send me notifications. That's what I need to do.
What? So that's heating up. I'm gonna put the
Hey, she's like actually a person.
yeah, she is an actual person.
Like what? I hand her things and she takes them and eats them.
Can you believe
like,
it?
What is happening?
I don't know what's happening.
I'm like a big girl. Did she do well the whole time?
She did so good.
Really?
She was only slobbery, which is kind of annoying, but she was so good.
Try it. Alright, try it.
Got the onion in there. Put the peppers in.
And let that heat up. Let me change the battery. Alright, there we go. Battery change. Alright, so while that heats up, I'm gonna cut up the chicken. I hate cutting chicken, it's so gross. So I just got 2 chicken breasts. I literally hate touching chicken, so I was like, grab it with a fork. Alright, I'm gonna chop this piece first. So what did it say to chop it like? I just have the recipe on, I just googled it. I put pineapple chicken, quesadilla, HelloFresh, and it just came up. Alright, so drain, cut breast into 1/2-inch cubes. Alright, so I have to cut it into like tiny little pieces. Put that down a little bit. So today is Friday, and tomorrow I don't have to do anything. This is awesome. Like outside of the house, so I'm gonna be working in the house all day. I want to get some organization done. This house is a mess. Hopefully that won't fall. Alright, so I got the chicken cut up. Well, the first chicken anyway. Let me grab the other one. The recipe only calls for 1, but I just don't feel like that's enough. And I always like to make 2 anyway, so. Got those cooking up. So I have the chicken cooking. I have my mixture of pineapple and mango, because the little thingy that I got was pineapple and mango. So I was like, oh whatever, I'm gonna put that in there. And then the onions and peppers. I just made some pico, and it's like really watery because I put it through. I just didn't want to chop all those little tomatoes, so I put it in my NutriBullet, and it kind of looked like made it too watery. Maybe I could just like drain that off. But I made that, and I'm gonna make some crema now, and then I'm just gonna have to assemble the quesadillas once the chicken is done.
So obviously after this we did end up eating, we hung out, and then we put the baby to sleep, and then we went to bed. So actually I will be doing an evening nighttime routine coming up is sometime in the future, and that's why I kind of didn't include that part in this video, but I hope you guys enjoyed it nonetheless. I thank you guys so much for watching. If you did like it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!